Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename checklists on task in ClickUp. So you want to go ahead and open up the task where you have the checklist and you want to scroll down and find the checklist. Now you can rename the checklist title itself. So as you can see, this checklist right here, the title is create a video. You can see that this checklist it basically is saying create find a video idea. I can just take that and I can just, let's say, call it, give it an option as well. So I'm going to say find the idea. That could be the first option, right? And I can easily go ahead and, let's say, use that as one of the options in the checklist. So I can just rename this by simple over it, click the three dots. Here you'll find the option to rename checklist, and I can rename that. So not find a video idea, but create a YouTube video, for example. Let's say that's what I want to call it. Hit enter, and that's all that you have to do.